Halo korang, saya Diva dari Kelpie48. Woo! Halo semua, aku Diva dari Kelpie48. Woo! Ohayo gozaimasu. Watashi wa Diva desu. Watashi wa Indonesia Jin desu. Watashi wa Nijuni desu. Woo! 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 저는 디바입니다. 안녕하세요. 나는 디바예요. wait. 你好，我叫디바. Yes, I am Buna. Jadi hari ini, Jawa Barat, saya pun dari Jawa Barat. Yay, ada telinga kucing. Ih, halo, kangen juga. Oke. Jadi, ini kali pertama saya live ke TikTok. Saya nak coba cakap Melayu sikit-sikit, tapi mix lah dengan Indonesia and English also. Oke? Halo, miss you. Are you excited for second anniversary? Woo, of course. Of course, sebab saya dah hampir nak satu. Give me applause. Bless your ears. Ya, saya pun tak sabar. Semoga korang pun tak sabar, sebab kita ada surprise buat korang semua on our second anniversary. Yes. Malam ni saya jadi kucing gar. Guys, I'm sorry, bless your ears. Hi! Oh my gosh. Saya nih nampak nama-nama yang sudah lama saya tak tampak inilah. Pendapat saya tentang race F1 last week. No, I was in bad mood because Kimi suddenly, I think it's only, I don't know lah, but almost end lap. Yeah. I'm so nervous, everyone. Because Kimi is DNF. You know, I talk on my Discord. If Kimi win, got podium, P1, I'm gonna eat salad. Yes, because I don't really eat vegetable, so I want to make myself to be better if Kimi win, but he's not, and then suddenly DNF. But it's okay, at least still have Russell, right? Still have Russell. So yeah, Malaysia, let's go. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Wait, okay. First, I know I'm so pretty. So first one, you know, actually fun fact. Yeah, saya emang centil. Fun fact, I actually join first generation audition. Yes, that is fun fact, everyone. Woo! I'm so loud. Tapi saya tidak lolos even in online registration, data-data itu saya tidak lolos di first gen audition. So yes, So I try again in second gen. Tapi ya saya sudah coba sejak awal. Tapi on second gen ini because I think I failed before. So I think like okay lah, I just iseng-iseng, like I just try to apply. If not getting, it's okay, at least I try, right? Nah, then I join, but I join in the very last minute. Like for example, the deadline is 1, but I apply in 31, like something like that, so last minute. So if I didn't if I didn't nggak masuk gitu, kayak kalau nggak masuk, kalau nggak berhasil, ya it's okay, maybe because last minute audition, ya kan. Tapi suddenly, pass, if didn't pass, ya. But suddenly I got email, I passed first, yeah. No, I got email and then I passed to the second round of audition. Ya. Jadi saya lolos ke tahap kedua audisi dan saya harus terbang ke Malaysia. Dan itu first time aku pergi ke Malaysia. First time saya coba pergi ke Malaysia. Yeah. And then I think almost of you already know that my first friend is Chujen. You know, when I first tengok Susan, I sit beside her, and then when I first tengok Susan, itu dia mirip dengan Kak Cindy Yuvia from JKT48 Gen 2, if you know. And then I already like, oh, I know this girl pasti pass the audition. And then right, I know we both here in KLP 48. Woohoo! Yes. Dari kecil sudah ingin jadi idol. Yes, dari kecil. You know, when I was in elementary school, in my school have like girl band wannabe, like, thank you for the gift, girl band wannabe. And then when I was in elementary school, my school have like girl band wannabe, you know, for the like gang, like circle in elementary school. Biasalah kayak budak-budak, cewek-cewek, perempuan budak who wants to be girl band. Jadi saya mencoba untuk join audisi. You know, saya masih ingat itu kelas 4 SD, itu ada girl band wannabe itu, and then they open for the audition, and then the audition is we need to sing. So I lining up with my classmate, like girl classmate, lining up kat belakang kelas to audition. But it's weird. You know what? Because actually before the audition they have like I think 4 or 5 members, like budak ini, mereka jadi judgesnya, and then actually they already know siapa yang mereka pilih dari anak-anak di kelas itu. Ada 2 orang. But to make it like official, like formal, they make audition, and then we lining up, and then we audition. And then waktu audisi itu aku nyanyi lagu Kenapa Mengapa, tapi suaranya kecil banget sampai kayak gak kedengeran sama sekali karena suara kecil banget. Sampai one of the members of the girl band deket-deket ke arah aku, terus kayak ngedengerin kayak apa sih ini orang nyanyi apa gitu. Terus kayak ya udah aku lanjut nyanyi aja. Terus habis itu aku lolos audisinya sama temen aku satu lagi, karena jadi kayak kita itu emang jadi kayak geng gitu ya, kayak girl band, tapi kita bikin our own song, our own choreography, and then we practice di belakang kelas. And then you know what, the girls yang nggak lolos audisi itu mereka bikin mereka bikin kayak saingan buat girl band yang aku itu, namanya Amazing Girls, kayak you know girl, kayak geng-geng cewek-cewek gitu. Terus mereka bikin juga, tapi nama girl bandnya Six Direction. Itu aneh banget. Itu kayak masa SD aku, teman-teman. Jadi kayak Six Direction, 6 arah. What do you mean 6 arah? Halo Aisyah, say hi to Aisyah from KB48. Yes. Iya kan, gak mau kalah. Terus kayak kita jadi musuhan. Jadi kayak girl band 1 dengan girl band 2, kita musuhan. Tapi itu seru sih. Kayak it's so cute, thank you guys. Boleh nanya yang lainnya, biar aku nggak diem aja. Iya, tapi sebab itu kelas 4 SD, kelas 5 SD kita orang udah tidak satu kelas lagi, and then bubar, goodbye. Love you. Malu. Really, malah banget kan. Saya ini udah jadi gadis KL. Of course, aku inget. Malu deh aku. Makanan di Malaysia sudah berapa banyak coba? Saya sudah banyak coba makanan Malaysia. Woohoo! Nasi lemak, of course. Ice ABC, of course. Durian, of course. Banana leaf, of course. Keropok lekor, of course. Roti tisu, of course. Roti cheese, of course. Roti pisang, of course. Nasi kerabu, not yet, because today itu hari Kamis. Nanti kita ini la. Hah, lontong kering. Aku tidak tahu lontong kering itu apa. Oke, nanti saya coba nasi kerabu next week. Stop all pistachio. Nasi to Wednesday. Yours. Aku emang aslinya extrovert, kalau kalian kenal lebih dekat lagi. Centil banget. Kamu selalu bercakap sama Jo. Apa ini? Sudah mahir bahasa Melayu kah? Maybe I heard a lot from Jo, from Alice, from Amanda, from Kasawa, from a lot of member KB48 who can talk bahasa Melayu, so I can speak a little bit. And also I watch Upin Ipin since I was little. So yeah, I was born to be idol. I was born to be gadis KL. Yes. Capek ya. Tanah warna rambut Tana, saya sukanya natural warna hitam. Iya, Diva sama Hana kalau disatuin jadi Hadi. Diva sama Devi disatuin jadi Dedi. Can I talk like that? I think can. Okay. Pistachio atau matcha? Pistachio. I don't like matcha. like matcha. I'm a chocolate girl. I love chocolate. I don't like matcha. Matcha tastes like I don't really like. No, I don't like matcha. Pistachio. Saya udah makan Dubai Chewy Cookie punya Cindy hari ini. Sorry Cindy, aku makan Dubai Chewy kamu. Tapi aku udah cakap ke Cindy, walaupun dia belum balas, tapi saya suruh makan. Biarinlah. Iya, apa iya? Ya saya ini orang Indonesia, tapi saya udah jadi gadis KL. Diva, piye kabare? Kabare baik. Oke, sebab ini first time saya live streaming. What do you mean? Coba logat KL sedikit. Ini tadi saya bercakap dengan logat KL. Tuh ini logat Diva. Apa namanya? Oh, sebab ini tadi first live streaming. Jadi saya nak introduce ke kalian my kiddos. Yes, I have kids. Of course. So, the first one. Tada! Oh, iya. Yes, Itel. Nama dia Michela Anastasia. Sebab terlalu panjang, saya panggil dia Icel. Halo Icel. Halo Icel, Oshiko satu-satunya buaya. Yes. And oops. Yes. This is Icel. Fun fact, I also called Icel in my family. And I name myself Icel in my family. Yeah. So none of my family member call me Diva. They call me Icel because her beep, 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 beep. And then ini Icel. And then next. Tada! Hello! This is Mila. Say hi to Mila. Hello Mila. Dia ini kalau Idul Adha dia ngumpet sebab dia Shopee, takut kena sembelih, takut kena potong. Oke, next. Next ada ada tada. Halo. Nama dia Ponyo. Say hi to Ponyo. Halo Ponyo. Comel. Dia panda. And then next. This is Letty. Oops, sorry. Hello Letty. This is from Juden. Tapi dia kasih telanjang, jadi saya belikan dia baju. Leci. Kenapa Leci? Sebab korang cakap Leci dibalik Icel. So I name her Leci. She have bags. And have this one. Same with me. And then we have Tining Kitty. This is Kitty dengan second gen kostum. Comel kan? Maybe kalau saya guna second gen kostum lagi, saya boleh berfoto dengan dia. Yeah. And then next. This is tada. This is Stitchy. Dia ada ininya dengan mirip dengan Ponyo. Kalau tidak ada macam ni, dia botak. Tapi kalau ini ini jadi nama dia Stitchy sebab Stitch. Tapi make it comel. Stitchy. And then I also have the Ciluk Ba. Once again, Ciluk Ba. Maaf ya, aku receh banget emang. Nah, terus dia ada filmnya, ada little bag. Nama dia Ginny, sebab penguin, tapi penguin itu terlalu panjang, jadi Ginny. Comel. And then I have ini juga nggak kalah comel. Halo. Hello. Nama dia Papi sebab dia guguk. Ref. Dia ada ininya, semua dia ada ininya tuh. Papi, ini ada ininya mirip sama dia. Aduh, sometimes I keep looking at him and I laugh because it's so funny. Ih, pakai popok. And then, ya maaf ya receh banget. And then, welcome to Zootopia family. The first one. Tada! I have Chloe. This is Chloe. Dia suka makan donat, macam saya. Yay. And then, second one. Tada! Nama dia Finiki. Halo Finiki. Dung. Pip. And then the last one ada, I am Sloth. Halo. Yes, I have a lot of doll. Saya suka patung. Jadi, saya suka patung. Yes. That's it from my family. My kiddos, salam kenal dari mereka. Yoroshiko onegaishimasu. Paling favorit dia, sebab dia ini ada dengan saya dari saya SD. Totalnya ada berapa? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes. Kalau mau kasih anak lagi boleh. I love. Saya suka Diva, saya juga suka kamu. Saya suka awak. Yes. Jam tambah anak-anak saya. Ayo, cerita apa lagi? Ichel udah malam. Korang harus tahu, Ichel ini saya suka melakukan banyak activity dengan Ichel. Macam nonton film, makan. Jadi saya nonton, dia pun ikut nonton. Saya makan, dia pun makan. Saya minum, dia pun minum. Saya bobo, dia pun bobo. Until my dorm mates, I think a little bit of annoyed by her face. Sebab dia ini selalu ada dengan saya. Ya, it's okay. Semoga korang bisa sayang Ical. Oke. Kalau hilang bakal nangis sih. Of course, kalau hilang bakal nangis. Jangan kena hilang guys, dia dicuci. I cry. Sebab ketika saya bangun tidur, hal pertama saya cari adalah Ical. And then one day saya tak dapat jumpa Ical. And then suddenly dicuci sama my mom. But it's okay. Yay. Ayo nak cerita apa? Udah berapa lama gak dicuci? Dia itu dicuci kalau ada mama saya. Sebab mama saya suka cuci atau kakak saya. Di sini tak ada. So you know the answer. Have your kids ever been kidnapped? I think no, because I always lock my door. If no, suddenly Ical ada kat dapur kan, patah hati saya. Cannot. I need to protect my kids. Of course. Diva tim Chocomin atau anti Chocomin? I tim Choco. With min or no with min? I tim Choco. Jadi saya suka apa-apa dengan coklat. Yes. Macam strawberry coklat, I love. Chocolate cake, I love. Semua dengan coklat saya suka. Saya suka. Let's go, apa lagi? Ical pernah dibawa ke teater tak? Pernah. Ical pernah join KLP48 tuition. So kalau korang pernah tengok KLP48 tuition, korang pasti pernah jumpa Ical. Sebab saya belajar, dia pun belajar. Yes, everyone know about Ical. Of course. It's not Ical. Alamak. Let's go, cerita apa lagi? What story you want to hear? Oh, ceritain waktu aku main dengan Frizzy. So, actually, before I'm being an idol, KLP48, and before she in JKT48, I already know her, right? And then I think waktu itu saya tweet something, and then dia reply my tweet, and then I feel like, is she still remember me that we met before? And I try to DM dia kat Twitter, and then dia balas, and then we meet. That's it. Terus dia ajak saya untuk coba-coba makan makanan yang belum saya makan. Terus kita foto. Diva asli mana? Diva asli KL. Saya gadis KL. Oke, cerita apa lagi? Mumpung I have a lot of energy nih. Yes, gadis KL. Sangat-sangat gadis KL. MBTI. My MBTI is INFJ. Yes, I'm an introvert, but I can be extrovert if we close. So, yeah. INFJ. I is for introvert. N, I don't know lah, I forget. N, F, I know. Feeling, is it feeling? J is judge. Judge. I can do like this. I can do like this. It's not Ariana, it's Diva. It's Diva. It's Diva. Jujur malu banget, sumpah malu banget. Diva suka makan apa? Saya suka makan ayam. Ayam goreng is my life. Ayam goreng is my life. Hey! Hate! Apa nih hate? Diva no tipu, oke. Oke, saya tak tipu. Saya ini standar. Saya itu standar bagi perempuan-perempuan. Jadi tinggi saya itu standar, which is ting 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 ting. It's not that short, it's not that tall, but standard. Like okay. Dalam second gen, siapa jadi kawan pertama Diva? Dalam second gen, jadi kawan pertama saya itu Shuzen. Actually Angel, because during the audition, like we need to wait in the waiting room, and Joe sit in front of me. So yeah, Shuzen. You know, we have a lot of audition, right? Between the first audition, the second one have gap, like I don't know, maybe 1 or 2 weeks, and then me and Joe is like update. Do you already get email? Do you already? So yeah, and fun fact, Joe also my first roommate during live announcement. Yes, and now we are doormats. I'm so glad. And by the way, stay safe for all people in China. I hope you guys are okay. Apa makanan yang kamu suka masak? Saya suka masak telur. Saya suka masak nasi. Saya suka masak mie. I know. I have. Kalau tidak jadi member KLP48, I will become a chef. I know. I'm very pro. Masak telur, masak nasi, masak mie. That's my life. I know. Ih, malu deh aku. Yes, I have cooking skill, of course. I know, I'm so proud of myself. Tak hangus kan telur tutak lah. Kalau telur tak hangus, nugget, sosis, itu boleh jadi hangus, Saya pernah, saya na sahur awal, and then I cook lah sausage. Saya masak sausage, tapi dia hangus. Macam dan tadinya saya nak makan sahur awal, saya bad mood, and then until I cry because I don't like the sausage just hangus. And then Cindy try to convince me like, it's okay Diva, you can still eat. Nih aku makan, coba, masih enak kok, nggak apa-apa kau makan. Jadi aku makan. Yes, it's okay. Learn from mistake. Okay, of course. Ih, centil banget, maaf ya. Ya, saya pernah tunjuk, tapi saya lupa lah, saya tunjuk ke story or ke Twitter, saya lupa. Jadinya saya tetap makan sausage too, because it's still good. So if someday you cook sausage or nugget and it's burned, it's okay, it's still good. Trust me. Cheers. Yeah, of course, saya centil. Of course. Hello Maya from Kelpie 48. Woohoo! Hello Maya. Jer. Yes. Jadi saya dengan Maya itu lebih tinggi. Saya. Ya kan Maya, I'm taller than you. Tapi kalau kita orang duduk, if Maya and me sit like sebelah dengan satu sama lain, itu Maya tampak taller. Tapi aslinya saya lebih tinggi. Oke. Terima kasih. Hey, Maya, you still budak kicik, oke? You still budak-budak. Jadi you harus mengalah dengan saya. Saya older than you. Akaipin Hills, I want. Akaipin Hills itu yang dress merah and then heels merah itu kan? I want. Maybe one day I can perform that. Halo staff son. Red is my color. Sawyer. Wujud asli Fierce Diva Kelpie 48. Okay, what else? Tuaan aku atau Hana? Hana itu dia Februari, me May, so Hana is older and Hana is more mature than me also. Yeah. Diva ada tonton drama atau movie Melayu? Not yet, because now I rewatch series XO Kitty. If you guys watch XO Kitty, I rewatch that. And they have new season kan, season 3. Jadi saya tengah nonton itu. Tapi lepas ini boleh saya coba untuk menonton movie Melayu atau series Melayu. Korang boleh DM. What movie? I like romance, high school or college. Yeah, like diva friendly movie I like. You know, like musical boleh, terus romance high school, college boleh. Yeah. So, rekomendasikan saya movie Melayu yang diva friendly. Love diva friendly. Diva friendly. Action? If action dia apa ya? Perempuan. Okay, still diva friendly. Tapi action yang too action to like fight. No, it's not diva friendly. So diva friendly it is. Sebelum ini saya belum pernah datang ke Malaysia. So during audition KLP48 itu kali pertama saya datang ke Malaysia. Nice. Ting ting. Ting ting. Ting ting. Ayo cerita apa lagi? Cerita apa lagi? favorit diva. Oke, musisi favorit diva from Malaysia, of course, Dato' Siti Nurhaliza. Because I am diva Nurhaliza. Hello. And because my father also a big fan of her, so I'm here. And maybe one day we can meet. Who knows? We can talk. We can take a picture. We can make a video. Yes. If K-pop, I like Blackpink and Baby Monster. I like Baby Monster and I like Blackpink. Into area. Yes. If like singer, like female singer, I like Olivia Rodrigo. Yeah, that's my girl. Olivia Rodrigo, you are my girl. If Indonesia, I like Naura Ayu. My favorite, Naura Ayu. Yo. Yeah, finally I can live TikTok. I like K-pop, I like Blackpink and Baby Monster. Saya kangen Fritzy. Mungkin nanti kalau saya balik Indonesia kita boleh main lagi, ataupun kalau Fritzy ke Malaysia kita boleh main lagi. Iya. Let's go. Let's go apa? Let's go. Ya. Mari semua rekan nana beria suka-suka kami dendangkan. Uhuy. Ayo, cerita apa lagi? Let's go. Cerita first impression ketemu Gentoo. Okay, the first during audition itu belum official Gentoo, tapi saya sudah oh wow, they all so pretty, they all so talented and like just so good. During audition, you know, I feel like I was in international school because they talk a lot in English, so I feel like I like this. And then during siapa yang korang nak first impression tadi Tujun sudah first impression dia mirip dengan TUP. Jo you know what, before Jo thinks like before we official become a member, I call her Joselle because her name is Joselina, right? So I don't know how to call her like nickname, so I call her Joselle. Hi Joselle. Like, but now it's so weird if I call her Joselle because Jo. Dia apa ya? Oh, I thought Jo is like quiet, but not really quiet. And then who? Cindy. I think Cindy, when I first saw her during the final audition, dia ballet kan, jadi kayak this girl pasti masuk lah because ballet, jadi kayak that's so cool. Yes. Hana dulu set. Hana itu kita sempat ngobrol sebelum final audition, tapi kita lupa untuk tukar nomor telepon. Jadi kayak okay, Hana, she's really friendly. First impression really friendly. At least I forget the first time is when, tapi during the final I can see like wow, she's so pretty and like very mature, you know, like kalau saya tengok Elise like dewasa sekali dia itu. Terus Tara, I noticed her during the final audition. She was in Oh My Pumpkin and so good, like perfect. So yeah, pretty girl, so good. Maya and Isabel one team with me during the final audition. So I thought they were like friends before this because they talk and then they kind of like play like children play. So I thought that 6, 7, no, it's not like it. Years. So yeah, they cute. They so active like play, something like that. They still kids. Then who else? Charlize was my partner since day one. Yeah, so we not work together, we help together. Like, Charlize, do you know how to run? And Charlize, Tifa, do you know how to? So we help each other. Yeah, since day one. Aisha, she's so tall, like, and so mature in her age. The face, like, wow, she's like a model. Yes. Kay, at first I thought Kay itu bukan orang Indo. Tapi saya tahu dia orang Indo juga. Itu dari final audition. Sebab dia bantu Hana untuk talk with the crew there, with the staff there. Dan dia ini. Dan dia waktu itu aku nggak tahu dia gambar atau belajar, tapi kayak with jacket terus belajar kayak wah, mysterious girl. Sugoi. And then who else? Masi-chan, she's so cute, like idol, like real idol, like Masi-chan. Yeah. Like so ya, itulah pokoknya. So cute. I mean, like cute and pretty at the same time. Same face. That's her. Siapa lagi? You guys hear that sound? I am alone here. Somebody help me. It's okay. Mungkin dari rumah sebelah. Mungkin dari rumah sebelah, tapi sebelah nggak ada rumah. No, sebelah sana, tapi jauh. Mungkin sebelah sana. Positive thinking. Jangan ngomong malam Jumat, guys. No. Ih, aku tuh lupa hari ini hari apa. Alamak. Di belakang ada saya, ini gambar saya, saya. Alamak. Iya, ada Ichel and my kiddos. I have my kiddos. I need to protect my kiddos. Saya tidak boleh takut. Oh, I don't like being loud. Yes, Iva pemberani. It's okay. Kangen Indonesia nggak? Kangen Indonesia. Saya kangen makanan Indonesia. Saya kangen sate ayam yang ada di pinggir jalan mau ke rumah saya. Boleh buka cabang di Malaysia? Boleh. And you know what? I miss talk with my... Thank you. I miss talk with my friend. I mean, here in Malaysia, I only have friend, K-pop member and stuff. Then we talk in English and then in Malaysia sikit-sikit, and then a little bit of Japanese, and if Indonesia pun, I think logat Indonesia kita dah bercampur dengan logat KL lah. So I miss talking with my friend like, ih lo habis dari mana? Iya, so gue tuh kayak lo tau gak sih, kayak gue tuh kayak I miss gue lo, kayak sorry banget, tapi kayak rasanya tuh mau ngobrol dengan teman dengan gue lo tuh kayak lo tau gak sih, gue tuh kayak kemarin terus kayak lu gimana, kayak iya kan, kayak I miss that. Yes. Bisa bahasa Inggris dari sekolah les atau otodidak? Saya les I took additional lesson outside of school since I was in elementary school. So yeah. Member Gen 1 yang paling rapat dengan Diva. Member Gen 1, I think Kak Devi and Kak Tiffany, sebab we can talk in bahasa Indonesia, so it's like more, you know, like connected with each other. Tapi dengan member lain pun saya bisa mengobrol, saya hang out bareng, makan bareng. So yeah, it was fun. Diva, can you talk like news TV? Oh, boleh, tapi saya malu. Jadi boleh tengok konten saya aja kalau nak dengar saya cakap news TV. Tangan kamu harus ngikut cerita loh, lucu. Iya, aku kalau bercerita kayak tangan aku bisa diem, kayak ih malu banget. Yes. Nyau nyau nyau. Be yourself. Yes, this is me. This is me. Diva, kamu Jawa ya? Jawaban dari doa-doaku. Oh, yes, Jawa Barat. Diva Nurhaliza, Jawa Barat, Indonesia. Stop, takut. Diva Jawa ning endi? Jawa ning Cirebon. Saya bisa cakap bahasa Cirebon only J. Iya J. Gak gitu J. Apa lagi ya? J. Siapa yang tahu J? Wis mangan durung. Itu Jawa atau Cirebon? Saya pun tak tahu itu. Saya tahu J. Geng berapa? Geng banget ini. Geng. Gimana perasaan Diva first live TikTok? Of course, I'm nervous. Yeah, I'm nervous. Tapi oke lah, seronok. Sebab, you know, saya bagi tahu a little bit fun fact dan a little bit apa ya, secret of me. I like to talk alone in my room like podcast. Yeah, tapi kalau live, I also talk alone, but you guys can see me. Nah, kalau tak ada nih, saya talk alone. You know what? I'm a little bit takut. Jadi saya melihat ke sana, ceng, bayangan. Tapi itu bayangan dari tripod. Jadi tidak perlu khawatir. Kalau diberi tawaran untuk berlakon drama atau film apa Diva mau? Saya mau. Of course. Saya mau. Film yang Diva friendly saya mau. Dan sebelum ini pun saya pernah berlakon drama, tapi jadi figuran and be like a model, and also apa ya, sinetron, tapi I only sit there. So if you can find me, bagus. Saya nak share videonya, tapi tak boleh. So ya. Ih, malu. Bless your ears, everyone. Iya, aku masuk. Diva, kamu masuk 10 besar Duta Pariwisata Jawa Barat ya? Iya, 2025. Yes, it's me. Aku masuk. Jadi waktu itu aku dapat kesempatan untuk berbicara Diva Nurhaliza. Jujur lupa sih, pokoknya deh kayak Jawa Barat, something like that ya. Sorry. Ceritain pengalaman kamu nulis artikel. So, I actually, like during my college, I already graduated. Saya sudah lulus dari top 1 university in Indonesia. Top 1 university in Indonesia. Top 1 university in Indonesia. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Malu. Yeah, and then sebelum lulus itu harus intern, and then aku intern jadi content writer, kayak menulis artikel. Dan waktu itu temanya itu entertainment, so I write a lot about entertainer in Indonesia. Yes, so proud. Dan during my internship itu aku pernah masuk ke top 10 author, penyumbang pembaca terbanyak. Yes, I know. Terus pernah juga artikel aku top 1. Yes, I know. Thank you. Apa? Top 1 university in Indonesia. That's me. Thank you. Ih, malu ah. Diva, I found you Facebook when you was child. Malu. Itu banyak foto-foto saya. Saya ini apa? Saya ini sudah centil. Saya sudah centil dari kecil. Jadi ya. Yes, 1 minute, everyone, 1 minute. Let's go. Oh my god, I like live streaming. Selama live nih saya cakap sikit-sikit bahasa Melayu. Boleh lah. No, gak mau bye-bye. Saya pun gak mau bye-bye. Tapi kena bye-bye sekejap lagi. Posing, let's go, posing. Aku nggak bisa serius tau. Sudah 9.30. Thank you everyone sudah menonton live streaming aku yang pertama. Terima kasih, arigato, gomawa, shesheni. Hey, thank you. I'm so loud. Thank you. Oh, baca podium. Bolehkah baca podium? Thank you top viewers number 1. Woo! Number 2. Woo! Number 3. Woo! Bless your ears. Oke. Saya tenang. Oke, bye-bye everyone. Sorry, bless your ears. Good night. Oyasuminashai.